At some point in our life, we've got to challenge change. Take responsibility, Choose to be the author of your life, in health and wealth, and in company with others. I look at it as this. The best thing we can do for ourselves is acknowledge self-limiting beliefs and limitations by becoming our own masters. Working on ships, traveling the world, meeting new people, these are all different types of challenges that I've encountered. But I still move forward day by day, doing exactly what I know that I'm created to do and be. All because I want to influence, empower, and motivate people to make the best decisions, the best choices, and create the best solutions so you can start living your life the way that you've always designed.
Have you ever heard of Chinese medicine? Well, have you ever experienced a loss of appetite, fatigue, or nausea? Identifying basic disharmony that underlies all clinical manifestation means identifying patterns in the body. This is the essence of Chinese medical diagnosis and pathology. Identifying patterns involves forming an overall picture by taking all signs and symptoms into consideration. I'm Antonika Chanel, licensed Chinese medicine practitioner, and loss of appetite, tiredness, and weakness of limbs and pale complexion are symptoms most commonly identified as spleen qi deficiency. But first, what is qi? In traditional Chinese medicine, also known as TCM, the concept of qi has two main branches. There is the physical or nourishing portion of qi that makes up the air, the water, and the food that we take in. The other branch of qi is more insubstantial. It is the vital fluids and the energy itself that flows through our bodies. Things like poor appetite, abdominal distension, pale complexion are symptoms of spleen qi deficiency. That does not exclude nausea, feelings of heaviness, and frequency of urination. There are several symptoms that are translated into several kinds of patterns. But how do we support the spleen naturally? Herbal formulas, essential oils, and nutritional therapy are all recommended. Essential oils that benefit the spleen are neroli. Oils that strengthen the stomach and the spleen are things like bergamot, cumin, black pepper, blue tansy, cardamom, chamomile, cinnamon bark, clary sage, and even coriander, to name a few. Oils that warm the spleen are basil, thyme, and cinnamon bark. Because of their unique properties, they additionally keep the skin looking clean, clear, and healthy. They help promote mental alertness and lessen anxious feelings when diffused. They also support cardiovascular and nervous system health when consumed internally. When they're applied topically and used aromatically, some of them can be used internally when they come generally recommended as safe and only a food supplement. They can achieve positive results and help uplift our mood. Now, if you'd like to know more about how essential oils can personally improve feelings of nausea, feelings of heaviness, or poor appetite, visit me at AntonikaChanel.com, where I share with you how to get essential oils and how to use them in addition to your existing care recommended by your doctor. Now, I look forward to seeing your comments below, so don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend. And I hope to see you next time.